I love meeting all the people. It's really nice to see everyone from different schools, and also the weather's not so bad either.
I don't know, it's really fun to see everyone's project. We've just been working on this for, almost a whole year, and so it's really good to get feedback and to tell people about what we did. We're really proud of it, and so it's just nice to share that, I guess.
The project is using surfactants, which are chemicals found in soap or detergents, to enhance the evaporation of produced water in the Permian Basin.
When you're working with people who are also passionate about it, it can be a lot of fun.
I like meeting new people.
And we've also had a really, really good opportunity to go through workshop with other teams and get the ability to get some really, really good criticism from judges. It's been super awesome.
So our project manages reverse osmosis brine. It used valuable components of the brine to create commercial acid and base products.
It has been so cool to see so many other schools here and the creative ideas that they've come up with, and everyone just seems so excited to share what they've learned throughout the year and all the work that's been put in, and everyone is just super excited to support other people, which has been really nice as well. So yeah.